Let me ask you something. Do you remember the last time you said something and the moment it left your mouth, you were like, shit, what did I say and why did I say it? You regretted it. Now, mind you, this happens to all of us. And I mean all of us, because we do not realize picking out the right moment to say things. Yes, sometimes those things are right, but the moment is wrong. And that's because we have not learned the most valued skill: silence. Now, every communication coach will teach you how to speak. Speak with persuasion, influence, leave impact, reduce filler words. And I get it, they're all important. But there's also this one skill that I think nobody is teaching, and that is not saying anything and staying silent altogether. Two men, the same jungle, same working hours, same time, same effort. But there's one thing that's different. The first one is swinging from morning to evening. And the second one, he takes a break. He secretly just goes away for 2 hours. But there's a catch. The second one who takes this break for 2 hours still ends up cutting more wood than the one who takes no break. So one fine day, this first lumberjack decided, I'm going to secretly follow him. And so he does. And what he notices is this lumberjack silently sits, doesn't do anything except one thing: sharpening his axe. 2 hours of doing nothing but sharpening his axe quietly. Understand one thing, that a blunt axe can never cut as sharp as the sharp one can. You get the irony? So the question that remains is, are you sharpening your axe? Are you giving yourself the time to silently introspect, understand, recalibrate your words, what they mean, and the impact that it has on people? Because if you're not doing that, my friend, even if you're at it for 8 hours, cutting wood after wood after wood, your words will never be so sharp that they cut across any conflict, cut across anything that's obstructing you, and most importantly, land where it's meant to. Now, here's the difference. Every kind of silence is not the same. The lumberjack was not sitting idle. He was sharpening his axe. And he was doing it because he wanted his axe to be sharper and give better results. So your fear has to know, what kind of silence is it? Is it the fear that, oh, I'm not going to speak, I'm going to hold back because if I say something, I'll sound stupid? And the other is, no, it's not the right moment. It may be the right thing, but it's not the right moment. One is a cage, another is a choice. One makes you doubt yourself, one reinstate your belief. And the moment you understand that difference, it changes everything. It changes the way you speak, it changes the way you show up, it changes the way people think about you. So ask yourself, have you learned this strategic communication skill along with persuasion and influence and handling conflicts? Now, I know that communication is a branched out topic, but guess what? Everything has a foundation, and that is something I love solidifying. So if you are looking to solidify your communication, your presence, the way people hear you, the way you make them feel, make sure to check out a form in the description. Go click on it, fill it, and someone from my team will connect with you. But most importantly, share it with someone who says maybe the right thing at the wrong moments, because we all need some kind of mentoring and guidance to grow. So make sure to share, because sharing is caring. I'll see you next time.